Good afternoon, everyone. How are you? How are you? What you will say? I am fine. Thank you. Very good, my dears. Kids, lovely kids. You are so lovely and charming, looking charming, very good. Okay. So, which period is this now? This is a English period. Which period is this? This is a English period. Okay. And what is the name of your school? Tell me, what is the name of your school? The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Say, the name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. Okay. And in which class you are studying? Yes, tell me. In which class you are studying? So how you will say? I am studying in class nursery. What you will say? I am studying in class nursery. Very good. Well done. Okay. Now today we will learn story. Today we will learn story. This is a story time. What is this? This is a story time. Okay. Yes, my dears. You have learned this story in Hindi class also. Yes or no? Yes, you have learned this story in your Hindi class also. So, today we will learn this story in English. You have learned this story in Hindi. So, today we will learn this story in English. This story is Thirsty Crow. What is this? This is a story about Thirsty Crow. Thirsty crow. Thirsty means pyasa. Thirsty means pyasa. Okay, whenever if you not drink any water, how you feel? You feel thirsty, na? That we should go and drink water. Yes. So thirsty. This story is about a thirsty crow. Look here. This is a crow. What is this? This is a crow, and this is a pot. This is a pot. Okay, now we will start a story. Yes, so are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, now first I will explain you in short, in detail. After that we will say proper sentence. Okay, now all of you fold your hands and sit properly and look at me. Okay, what you will do? You will fold your hands and sit properly. Okay, look at me. Yes, good, very good. Yes. Okay, first I will explain what is this story about. This is a story about a crow. Crow was flying. He was going somewhere. In between, he was very thirsty. So, he searched the water here and there. What? He searched the water here and there. But he couldn't get any water. He did not see any river or anything. After that, he saw a pot. What? He saw a pot. Crow saw a pot. Crow went there and saw in the pot the water was very down. The water was very down, and some people were there near the pot. He thought, I was very thirsty. So what I will do? He thought the idea. Crow thought the idea what to do. Then Crow get an idea. He Crow saw the pebbles. Crow saw the pebbles near the pot. What he have done? Crow was very intelligent. He thought, if crow will put pebbles in the pot, the water will come up, and he will drink the water and fly away. So what does crow done? Crow taken the pebbles, okay, and put in the pot, and the water came up. Crow drink the water and fly away. Okay. Yes. So now we will. Okay. Now we will say the story in proper sentence. Okay. Okay. You have to repeat after me. A thirsty crow in search of water. A thirsty crow in search of water. He found a pot. Crow found a pot containing very less water. Containing very less water in it. The crow collected pebbles. The crow collected pebbles. Put them in the pot. Put them in the pot. The level of water came up. The crow squeezed in his thirst. The crow squeezed his thirst. Okay. And flew away. Okay. A thirsty crow was in search of water. A thirsty crow. All of you say with us. A thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot containing very less water in it. He found a pot containing very less water in it. The crow collected pebbles. The crow collected pebbles and put them in the pot. And put them in the pot. The level of water came up. The level of water came up. The crow squeezed his thirst. The crow squeezed his thirst. Okay. Now you will also say with me with action. Yes or no? Say loudly, beta. You will also say with me this story with action. Okay. All of you say. A thirsty crow was in search of water. A thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot. He found a pot. He found a pot containing very less water in it. He found a pot containing very less water in it. The crow collected pebbles. The crow collected pebbles and put them in the pot. And put them in the pot. The level of water. The level of water came up. The level of water came up. And the crow squeezed his thirst. And crow squeezed his thirst. Okay. Again we should repeat. Again we should repeat. A thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot. He found a pot containing very less water in it. He found a pot containing very less water in it. The crow collected pebbles. The crow collected pebbles and put them in the pot. And put them in the pot. The level of water, the level of water came up. The level of water came up. The crow squeezed his thirst. The crow squeezed his thirst. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to recite this story at your home. अब क्या करना है? What you have to do? You have to say this story. You have to see the video, listen what I am saying, and after that you have to say these stories. Okay. Today this story we have learned. We have learned the story of a thirsty crow. What we have done? We have learned a story of thirsty crow. A crow was there. He was very thirsty. So he saw here and there for water. But he couldn't get any water. After that he saw a pot. What? He saw a pot. But the level of water is very down. He can't able to drink water. So what he do? The crow thought that one idea is there in his mind. What he have done? He had collected the pebbles. He saw that there are so many pebbles are there. So he collected all the pebbles and put in the pot. The water came up. You drink the water and fly away. And fly away. Okay. A thirsty crow was in search of water. Okay. A thirsty crow was in search of water. He found a pot. He found a pot containing very less water in it. He found a pot containing water very less in it. The crow collected pebbles. The crow collected pebbles and put them in the pot. The level of water came up. And the crow squeezed his thirst. Okay, all of you, you have to say the story and okay, you have to practice this story at your home. Okay, so we will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye and have a nice day.